Hello, good day, listener. Up here we have a very beautiful question. And remember that this is a math therapist. You can do well to follow us on all social media platform, in Instagram, Facebook, and also on YouTube. So we have this amazing question here, and the question is somehow complicated, right? So the question is x raised to the power of what 2x plus x raised to the power of what x and is equal to what 20. And what are we asked to? We are asked to find for the value of x. So this question I got it from MLAC online mathematics platform. So I just want to do a video on this. So credit to MLAC online mathematics. So solution we have this question as x raised to the power of what 2x plus x raised to the power x equals to what 20. So now this is what we're going to do. We're going to apply simple laws of indices. That's the power rule that says that if you have something like a raised to the power m or raised to the power n, it can still be written as a raised to the power n raised to the power what or raised to the power what m. Or you can still decide to multiply the power inside the bracket with what is outside by saying a raised to the power what m times n, which is a raised to the power what m n. Are we together? I'm just trying to do something here so that as I'm going to solve this question, you understand what I'm doing here. So now from this first guy here, what are we going to do? I can simply write this guy as what x raised to the power x or raised to the power of what 2. Of course, you know that x times 2 will still give you what 2x. That's why I had to do this simple illustration here. So plus x raised to the power x equals to what 20. So now what next are we going to do is to give a command. So we can say let x raised to the power x equals to y. This simply means that any place I see x raised to the power x in any of these, I'm going to substitute it with what y. So let's go further. We now have here y squared plus what this place now will be what y. Now I'm going to bring this guy to my left hand side, and that will be that it's going to turn to minus, right? Minus 20. Then I equate it to 0. Of course, you see that this is a quadratic equation logically. So now what are we going to do? You find two product of a value that when you multiply you're going to have negative 20, and when you subtract that value you have what positive 1. The coefficient of y here is what 1. So let's say the two values are what plus 4 or minus 4 plus 5 will give you what 1, right? And minus 4 times 5 will give you what minus 20. So let's use this guy here to substitute into this to check out the answer. So we now have y squared minus 4y plus what 5y minus 20 equals to what 0. And I'll group this guy here. So what is common? Y is common into y minus what 4 plus what is common here 5 is common into y plus times minus is what minus 5 goes into 20 how many times 4 times, right, equals to 0. So the factors are y plus 5 equals to 0 and y minus 4 equals to 0. So therefore y equals to negative 5 or y equals to what positive what 4. But we are not done yet. Remember we said let x raised to the power x equals to what y. So what we're going to do is that we're going to pick the positive value of the answer we got here, not the negative value, to satisfy the equation, right? So now this one what we're going to do, this is going to be x raised to the power x equals to what question mark. So remember, sorry, x raised to the power x equals to what y, sorry. So what is y? From the positive side, y is what 4. So x raised to the power x equals to what 4, and x raised to the power x, this 4 I'm going to split it to 2 raised to the power 2. Therefore x equals to what 2, and this is the correct answer to the question. Thank you very much. Do well to share, like, and comment. Have a nice day. Bye bye.